Once you start getting leads in Zoho CRM through various channels, it is essential to take good care of them. Zoho CRM helps you in this nurturing process to manage your leads at scale and start converting them to paying customers. Let's see how. When leads enter your system, Zoho CRM allows you to assign those leads to your sales team members. You can assign these leads manually or set up a lead assignment rule to assign these leads automatically. Once the leads are assigned to the appropriate sales team members, they can perform different nurturing activities from within the system. This includes sending and receiving emails from within the system, managing different activities like tasks, meetings, and calls related to that lead. During this nurturing process, if you have to take any important notes, you can do that in the notes section, which comes up with a timestamp for your future reference. All these actions helps you nurture a lead and take it forward in the sales funnel and nothing falls through the crack. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on Zoho CRM and how you can leverage it for your business.